You've got no rights. That's what a U.S. citizen was told by the Florida Highway Patrol. And that's not even the core issue here, that a U.S. citizen was denied their rights by the Florida Highway Patrol. Because did you know that the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution says that even if you're not a citizen, if you're in the U.S., any person is owed due process. No person in the United States should be denied life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Right here. Nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. And you might ask, what is due process? Well, due process is where you are given the chance to defend yourself, to prove your citizenship, to prove your legal status, to defend yourself against any accusations that you've committed a crime. Without due process, you are whatever the state, whatever the federal government says you are. Without due process, if they say you've committed a crime, well, then it's a done deal. It's a wrap. As far as they're concerned, you're a criminal, and you don't get to say anything. But this is the thing. It's not just U.S. citizens who are owed that due process, who are guaranteed that due process by the U.S. Constitution. It's any person in the United States. When we allow the Constitution to be torn up, to be thrown out the window, then we're all at risk. We're all at risk because any law enforcement, any police, sheriff, state trooper, highway patrol, federal agents, DEA, Homeland Security, ICE, whatever they say we are, whatever they say we did, for all intents and purposes, that's it. It's a wrap. They want to send us off to a detention camp, a foreign prison. They can. Because due process is the way that you're allowed to present your side of the story. But that's not what Florida Highway Patrol thinks. As they told Kenny Lainez Ambrosio, you've got no rights here. You're amigo, brother. And then they go on to brag, thinking this is funny, and quipping, you can smell that $30,000 bonus. Now, I'm not sure exactly what $30,000 bonus they're talking about here, but I'm guessing that what it is that State Highway Patrol in Florida are being compensated at $10,000 a head when they help detain someone who is a migrant. And if that's what's happening, then that's absolutely disgusting because they now don't care. They're all about getting that money, and they don't, like they're saying here, you don't have any rights. They're not really concerned what your status is. All they're concerned is being able to turn someone in and get their bounty. It's important for you to understand what's going on. It's important for us all to speak up.